Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw a cartoon house. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can come
So
up
for
with.
the first step in making our house, we're going to begin by making the roof. So let's go ahead and make one big upside down V right in the middle of the page. Awesome. Now we're going to outline that upside down V that we just made with another upside down V. Now coming from the left side of the roof, we're going to make one big L-like shape. Fantastic. Now over on the right side, we're going to make a small bush. Now let's connect that bush to the right side of the roof. That looks great. Now for the next step, on the left side of the house, we're going to make a huge tree. For the tree that we make, we're going to make a big oval-like shape. This oval-like shape will connect to the house. Now right below this oval-like shape, we're going to make a small shrub. So from the shrub that we're making, we're going to make it connect all the way over to the right shrub. Fantastic. Now let's finish that tree that we previously made. Now let's take a brief moment just to look at our awesome masterpiece. Do you like what you have? I like what I have. Now in the bottom left hand corner, we're going to make steps as well as a door. That looks awesome. Now up top, let's go ahead and make a window. Now let's make a second window in the bottom right hand corner of our house. Now to finish our drawing, we're going to add a second tree over on the right hand side. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our house together.